Welcome to the Formula Foundation, degree and basis for extension field. So let's start with the question. And here is a question, find the degree and basis for the given field extension. And question is Q radical 2 over Q. Means Q radical 2 is an extension field over Q. And we have to find the basis of Q radical 2 over Q. Right? So you know Q radical 2 is the set of the form Q radical 2 is the set of the form A plus B radical 2 such that AB belongs to Q. Means extension field Q radical 2 का हर एक member इस form में होगा. Right? Now to find the degree of this extension field, let me first see the theorem. Here is the theorem 1. Let E be an extension field of a field F and let alpha belongs to E be algebraic over F. If degree of alpha over F is equal to n, then f of alpha is an n-dimensional vector space over F with basis 1 alpha square up to alpha power n minus 1. Right? Means if E is an extension field of F और alpha एक element है that belongs to extension field E. Right? और ये element alpha field F पर algebraic है. And you know alpha F पर algebraic कब होगा? जब rings of polynomial fx में एक polynomial f of x एग्जिस्ट करेगी सच दैट ये जो अल्फ़ा है ये उस पोलिनोमियल का रूट होगा. देन अल्फ़ा वुड बी अल्जेब्राइक ओवर एफ. मीन्स एफ ऑफ अल्फ़ा इफ एफ ऑफ एक्स बिलोंग्स टू रिंग्स ऑफ पोलिनोमियल एफ एक्स सच दैट एफ ऑफ अल्फ़ा इज इक्वल टू 0, देन अल्फ़ा वुड बी अल्जेब्राइक ओवर दिस फील्ड एफ. राइट? और अल्जेब्राइक और ट्रांसेंडेंटल एलिमेंट्स एंड डिग्री ऑफ अल्फ़ा को मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो में डिटेल में डिस्कस किया है. लिंक इज गिवन बिलो. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थ्योरम, अगर अल्फ़ा दैट बिलोंग्स टू एक्सटेंशन फील्ड ई एफ पर अल्जेब्राइक है, फील्ड एफ पर अल्जेब्राइक है और डिग्री ऑफ अल्फ़ा ओवर एफ एन है, देन एफ अल्फ़ा मीन्स द सेट ऑफ द फॉर्म ए प्लस बी अल्फ़ा सच दैट ए बी बिलोंग्स टू एफ फील्ड एफ. राइट? सो एफ अल्फ़ा, अगर अल्फ़ा दैट बिलोंग्स टू ई एफ पर अल्जेब्राइक है और डिग्री ऑफ अल्फ़ा ओवर दिस फील्ड एफ एन है, देन दिस सेट वुड बी वेक्टर स्पेस ओवर द फील्ड एफ एंड द बेसिस विल बी 1 अल्फ़ा स्क्वायर अप टू अल्फ़ा पावर n minus 1. मीन्स बेसिस डिपेंड्स अपॉन डायमेंशन. राइट? सो टू फाइंड द डिग्री एंड बेसिस ऑफ दिस एक्सटेंशन फील्ड ओवर Q, we follow this theorem. So according to theorem, E is an extension field of F. So here Q radical 2 is an extension field over Q. That is Q radical 2 is E and Q is equal to F. Right? And alpha belongs to E. So let alpha is equal to radical 2 belongs to Q radical 2 because Q radical 2 is the set A plus B radical 2. So जो radical 2 है वो इस सेट का एलिमेंट होगा बिकॉज अगर A is equal to 1 हो, A is equal to 0 हो और B is equal to 1. So this number A plus B radical 2, so A plus B radical 2 becomes radical 2. It means that radical 2 belongs to Q radical 2. Right? So let alpha belongs to alpha is equal to radical 2 that belongs to Q radical 2 and it is an extension field. Right? Now according to theorem we have to check whether alpha would be algebraic over F. Means अब हमें ये चेक करना है कि Q of X में रिंग्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल Q of X में कोई ऐसी पॉलिनोमियल एग्जिस्ट करती है F of X that belongs to Q of X, rings of polynomial Q of X such that alpha is equal to radical 2 is a root of that polynomial. So for this alpha is equal to radical 2, squaring both sides we have alpha square is equal to 2 or alpha minus 2 is equal to 0. So f of x is equal to x minus 2, x square minus 2 is a polynomial that belongs to rings of polynomial Q of X whose root is radical 2. It means that there exists a polynomial f of x is equal to x square minus 2 which has a root alpha is equal to radical 2. It means that alpha is equal to radical 2 is algebraic over Q, right? So alpha is equal to radical 2 is algebraic over Q, right? And you know, degree of alpha means radical 2 over Q is equal to 2. So according to theorem, alpha belongs to E is algebraic over F, and degree of alpha over F is equal to n. Then F alpha means here Q alpha means according to theorem 1, Q alpha means Q radical 2 is a vector space over Q with basis and what are the bases? 1 alpha square up to alpha power n minus 1. So bases are 1 alpha, that is radical 2, because degree is equal to 2, and you know degree of alpha over Q is equal to degree of extension field Q radical 2 over Q, right? So जब अल्फ़ा की डिग्री ओवर Q 2 है तो इस एक्सटेंशन फील्ड Q रेडिकल 2 की डिग्री ओवर Q भी 2 ही होगी. So that's why bases are only 2, 1 and alpha means radical 2, right? Thus Q radical 2 is a two-dimensional vector space with bases 1 and radical 2 according to theorem 1, right? Now let's see another question. So here is a question and we have to find the basis and degree of this extension field over Q. Now how we define this extension field? So Q radical 2 comma radical 3 is equal to cube root of 2 radical 3. Now you know cube root of 2 is defined as a plus b cube root of 2 such that ab belongs to a and b belongs to q. So you know what does it mean? It means that q radical 2 radical 3 is equal to a plus b cube root of 2 plus c plus d cube root of 2 times radical 3 such that a plus b cube root of 2 and c plus d cube root of 2 belongs to q 2 radical cube root of 2, right? Now to find the basis and degree of this type of extension fields, let's see another theorem. So here is a theorem 2. If E is an extension field of a field F and K, which is another field, and K is an extension field of E, then K is an extension field of F, and degree of K means this extension field K over F is equal to degree of K over E times degree of E over F. मीन्स यहाँ पर 3 एक्सटेंशन फील्ड्स हैं, एक E और दूसरी है फील्ड F एंड थर्ड वन इज़ फील्ड K. एंड इन 3 फील्ड्स में रिलेशन ये है कि F इज़ एन एक्सटेंशन K इज़ एन एक्सटेंशन फील्ड ऑफ E एंड E इज़ एन एक्सटेंशन फील्ड ऑफ F, राइट? सो अगर इन फील्ड्स में ये रिलेशन है देन उनके डिग्रीज़ में ये रिलेशन होगा कि K की डिग्री ओवर F इक्वल होगी डिग्री ऑफ K ओवर E टाइम्स डिग्री ऑफ E ओवर F, राइट? एंड इसके साथ ही एक नोट है, लेट अल्फ़ा I where I belongs to indexing set be the basis of E, means alpha 1 alpha 2 up to alpha I are the set of bases of the extension field E over F, and beta j where j also belongs to indexing set means beta 1 beta 2 up to beta j is the set of bases of a extension field K over E such that F is an extension F is a subset of E and E is the subset of K. Means वही relation है कि K is an extension field of E and E is an extension field of F. Then the set product of alpha I beta j, where I and j both belongs to indexing set of Mn products is a basis for K over F. Means अगर ये set basis है E over F और ये सेट बीटा जे मीन्स बीटा 1 बीटा 2 अप टू बीटा जे सेट है बेसिस का ऑफ एन एक्सटेंशन फील्ड के ओवर ई, तो जो फील्ड है के ओवर एफ उसके जो बेसिस होंगे वो क्या होंगे अल्फ़ा आई बीटा जे मीन्स प्रोडक्ट ऑफ अल्फ़ा आई बीटा जे, राइट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थ्योरम एंड नोट वी फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई एफ ई एंड के, राइट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू थ्योरम F सबसे छोटी फील्ड है. सो हेयर F इज इक्वल टू Q, दैट इज F इज इक्वल टू Q और E जो फील्ड है वो F की एक्सटेंशन फील्ड है. इट मीन्स दैट E इज इक्वल टू Q क्यूब रूट ऑफ 2, राइट. एंड K इज अ सुपर फील्ड, दैट इज K इज एन एक्सटेंशन फील्ड ऑफ E. So here K is equal to Q of cube root of 2 and radical 3. So here is the same relation that K is an extension field of E and E is an extension field of Q, right? Because Q cube root of 2 is the subset of Q of cube root of 2 radical 3, right? That is F is less than E and E is less than K. So Q is the subset of Q radical or cube root of 2 is the subset of Q cube root of 2 radical 3, right. जब आप A के दो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे तो आप इजीली F E और K आइडेंटिफाई कर लेंगे. सो डू प्रैक्टिस. नाउ अगर E F की एक्सटेंशन फील्ड है और K E की एक्सटेंशन फील्ड है, then according to theorem K is an extension field of F. According to theorem 2, K is an extension field of F and degree of this extension field K means degree of cube root of 2 radical 3 over Q is equal to degree of Q means a degree of K, that is cube root of 2 radical 3 over Q radical 2 times degree of E, that is Q cube root of 2 over Q, right. And it is the requirement of the question, that is we have to find the basis of this extension field over Q. अब इसी तरह according to this note अगर हम एक्सटेंशन फील्ड E ओवर F की बेसिस फाइंड करेंगे और इसी तरह एक्सटेंशन फील्ड K की बेसिस ओवर E फाइंड करेंगे, देन एक्सटेंशन फील्ड K ओवर F के जो बेसिस होंगे वो इन दोनों बेसिस का प्रोडक्ट होंगे, राइट. सो इट मीन्स दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिग्री ऑफ दिस एक्सटेंशन फील्ड ओवर दिस ओवर Q radical 2 and degree of this extension field over Q, and also we have to find the basis of these two extension fields, right. So let's start. So first we will find the degree and basis of this extension field, that is basis and degree of Q cube root of 2 radical 3 over Q radical cube root of 2. So for degree and basis let alpha is equal to radical 3, then squaring both sides we have alpha square is equal to 3 or alpha square minus 3 is equal to 0. So f of x is equal to x square minus 3 that belongs to this field q cube root of 2, and alpha is equal to radical 3 is the root of that polynomial. So alpha is equal to radical 3 is algebraic over this field, right? And degree of alpha that is radical 3 over q cube root of 2 is equal to 2. So according to theorem 1 q cube root of 2 alpha that is radical 3 is a vector space, is a two-dimensional vector space, is a two-dimensional vector space with basis 1 radical 3 because dimension is 2, right? And you know what does it mean? Q cube root of 2 radical 3 is equal to q cube root of 2 radical 3, right? So according to theorem, it is an extension field, or it is a vector space of dimension 2 over cube root of 2, right? And bases of this extension field over this are 1 radical 3, and degree of q radical 2 radical 3 over q cube root of 2 is equal to degree of alpha means radical 3 over q cube root of 2, and it is equal to 2. So we have found the basis and degree of this extension field over q cube root of 2, right? Now we have to find the basis and degree of this extension field over q. So basis and degree of q cube root of 2 over q. अच्छा यू नो कि हमने यहाँ पर अल्फ़ा इज इक्वल टू रेडिकल 3 ही क्यों लिया है? हम अल्फ़ा इज इक्वल टू क्यूब रूट ऑफ 2 भी ले सकते थे, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू थ्योरम जब हम एफ अल्फ़ा लिखेंगे एफ अल्फ़ा, तो अगर हम अल्फ़ा इज इक्वल टू रेडिकल 3 लेंगे तो हमें ये एक्सटेंशन फील्ड मिलेगी, राइट? बट अगर हम इन प्लेस ऑफ रेडिकल 3 क्यूब रूट ऑफ रेडिकल 2 लेंगे तो हमें एफ अल्फ़ा पर ये एक्सटेंशन फील्ड नहीं मिलेगी, राइट? सो नाउ बेसिस एंड डिग्री ऑफ दिस एक्सटेंशन फील्ड ओवर क्यू. सो फॉर दिस लेट अल्फ़ा इज इक्वल टू क्यूब रूट ऑफ 2 और अल्फ़ा इज इक्वल टू 2 पावर 1/3. So cubing both sides we have alpha cube is equal to 2 because is equal to 2. So alpha cube is equal to 2 or alpha cube minus 2 is equal to 0. So f of x is equal to x cube minus 2 belongs to rings of polynomial q of x such that f of cube root of 2 is equal to 0, means cube root of 2 is a root of this polynomial. So alpha is equal to cube root of 2 is algebraic over q, and degree of alpha, that is degree of cube root of 2 over q, is equal to 3. So according to theorem 1, f alpha, and what is f? F is a q. So f alpha means q cube root of 2 is a three-dimensional vector space, over q with basis with basis 1 alpha, that is cube root of 2, and alpha square because dimension is 3. So, and number of bases is equal to dimension of the vector space. So 1 cube root of 2 and alpha square, that is cube root of 2 square, right? Now according to theorem 2, degree of this extension field over Q is equal to the product of these two extension fields, degree of these two extension fields. So thus according to theorem 2, degree of the given extension field over Q is equal to degree of this extension field over cube root of 2, and we have found the degree of this extension field over cube root of 2, and it is 2, right? So 2 into degree of cube root of 2 over Q, and that is 3, right? Because degree of alpha over Q is equal to degree of extension field over Q. So is equal to 3, and 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So required degree of given extension field over Q is equal to 6, right? Now how to find basis? So for the basis of this extension field over Q, consider the note. So according to note, इस एक्सटेंशन फील्ड के बेसिस ओवर क्यू इन दोनों एक्सटेंशन फील्ड के बेसिस का प्रोडक्ट होंगे. सो बेसिस फॉर क्यू रेडिकल 3 over क्यू आर product of these two bases. So finally basis for Q radical 3 over QR, 1 is multiplied by these three terms. So 1 cube root of 2 and cube root of 2 square, right? And radical 3 is multiplied by these three terms, so it will be radical 3 and cube root of 2 times radical 3, right? And radical 3 times cube root of 2 whole square, radical 3 times cube root of 2 whole square. So these are the bases for the given field over Q, right? Now let's see one more question. So here is the third and last question, and we have to find the degree and basis of this extension field over Q radical 3, right? So let alpha is equal to radical 2, because radical 3 is given here. So alpha is equal to radical 2, then alpha square is equal to 2, or x square minus 2 is equal to 0. So f of x is equal to x square minus 2, and it belongs to Q of Q radical 3, because इस polynomial के constant and coefficients rationals हैं, and you know rational numbers are the subset of Q radical 3. So this polynomial belongs to Q radical 3 of x, rings of polynomial, and alpha is equal to radical 2 is a root of this polynomial, root of f of x. So alpha is equal to radical 2 is algebraic over Q radical 3, and degree of alpha, that is radical 2 over Q radical 3 is equal to 2. So therefore according to theorem 1, f alpha, that is radical 3, it is F, and F alpha means radical 2 is a two-dimensional vector space. Two-dimensional vector space with basis 1 radical 2, 1 and radical 2, right? And vector space over q radical 3, right? So bases are 1 radical 2. So as a conclusion, degree of given field over q radical 3 is equal to 2 with bases 1 and radical 2. So it was a whole lecture. I hope you got it.